my mother, Shahid Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto. Representing Pakistan, the 4th Conference on Women in Beijing in 1995. Into this August body then, she said that as the first woman ever elected to head an Islamic nation, I feel a special responsibility towards women's issues and towards all women. Organization of Islamic Countries Council of Foreign Ministers, and this was an effort in that direction. I am most gratified by the wide participation, interest, and enriching exchange of views at our as well. At our conference, which is still ongoing, we heard from the entire Muslim world. From Saudi Arabia, that is the land of Muslims, to holiest sites, Mecca and Medina, the representative, Palestine, the representatives of the land, of the Al-Aqsa Mosque. We heard from east, we heard from west, we heard from the north, and we heard from the south. Of Islamophobes and of all of those who insist on violating Islamic principles and diminishing the role of women in Muslim society. In fact, is huge, as most recently evident during the COVID pandemic. These challenges which Pakistan and other developing countries confront are functions of poverty, underdevelopment, and resource